Let's dive into the rise and fall of sharks in this episode of scitechwave. The shark population in Southern California is on the rise. Let's examine what this new shark gathering spot means for the sea, and what this means for those taking to the water. The Pacific Ocean is the largest and deepest of the world's ocean basins, stretching approximately 63 million square miles. Countries that border the Pacific Ocean are Chile, Ecuador, Peru, Papua New Guinea, Japan, Australia, and 5 USA states: Alaska, Washington, Oregon, California, Hawaii, and then parts of Mexico. The first fatal shark attack of 2023 happened in Mexico near San Jose Beach in Tobari Bay. The 53-year-old man was scuba diving, and a 19-foot-long great white shark decapitated the diver. But first, let's take a look at 2 giants of the sea that have gone extinct. The last known megalodon died 3.6 million years ago. Their extinction was due to global water temperatures dropping, since they were warm water sharks. This also meant the entire species the megalodon preyed upon also vanished. The megalodon reached up to 60 feet long and over, the size of a semi-truck. Why did the megalodons grow so large? Researchers suggest it was a combination of live births and cannibalistic egg eating among early hatched embryos that led to larger sizes inside their mothers. As to why sharks got smaller over time, fossil teeth show that the asteroid strike at the end of the Cretaceous period killed off many large species of sharks. Only the deep water and smallest species that fed on fish survived. The Dunkleosteus went extinct 360 million years ago during the late Devonian period and was considered the largest fish during this era. The reason for their extinction is believed to be climate change, sea level fluctuations, and shifts in oceanic currents that likely altered their habits and food sources. The Dunkleosteus, also known as dunk, or armored fish, or even terrible fish, was one of the largest and most powerful fish ever. It was 26 feet long. The dunk was toothless, but could chomp straight through bone. The dunk's head and jaws were made of a heavy armored plate with massive self-sharpening blades. So why is the great white shark population along the Southern California coast growing? A team of researchers from Cal State Long Beach Shark Lab have been working to figure out why up to 40 juvenile white sharks, only 50 feet from one of the most popular beaches in Southern California, have emerged. It's a shark nursery, and one of several along the Southern California shore. Swimmers and surfers are sharing the waves, with great white sharks more now than ever before. Juvenile white sharks are gathering at new shark nurseries to stay safe. Right after birth, they are on their own with no parental care, so they head to the nurseries to hide from predators and feed on stingrays. The surging number of sharks is due to conservation efforts and climate change. Great white sharks were nearly hunted to extinction, but are now a protected species. In 2015, Hurricane El Niño caused the Pacific Ocean's temperature to rise, pushing juvenile white sharks from Mexico north to warmer waters along the Southern California coast. The size of the toddler sharks are between 6 to 10 feet long. Researchers say shark nurseries are even shifting to Northern California. As the ocean continues to warm, nurseries will keep pushing north, possibly into Oregon. The bottom line, the ocean is changing, and scientists will continue to figure out what the sharks' changing patterns are. Thanks for watching, and stay safe and well.